What is this?
It is a lion.
Is it male or female?
It is male.
How do you know?
It has a mane around its head. A lioness doesn't have a mane.
What is a lioness?
A lioness is a female lion.
Are lions bigger than lionesses?
Yes, they are. A male lion is about 200 kilograms while a lioness weighs around 130 kilograms.
How long do they live?
They live for 10 to 14 years.
Do female lions live longer?
Yes, they do. Female lions usually have a longer life.
Why?
Because male lions often fight with other male lions.
Where do lions live?
They live in Africa. But 10,000 years ago, they lived everywhere.
How many lions are there in the world today?
There are 30,000 lions in Africa and 350 lions in India.
What do lions eat?
They are carnivores, that is, they eat other animals.
Do they hunt them?
Yes, they do.
Who does the hunting, male lions or female lions?
Usually female lions do the hunting. But when there is a big animal, male lions also join the hunt.
Do other animals hunt lions?
No, lions are top predators.
Do lions hunt alone?
No, they usually hunt in groups.
What are lions' weapons?
Its weapons are its claws, teeth, and muscles.
Do lions live alone?
No, they don't. They live in large families.
How many lions are there in a lion family?
There are 3 male lions, a dozen female lions, and their cubs.
What are these lions doing?
They are sleeping.
What are these cubs doing?
They are playing.
Are these lions playing?
No, they aren't. They are fighting.
Why are they fighting?
This young lion hasn't got a family.
So?
If he kills this lion, he will have a family.